How to cancel Duolingo free trial on the PC, Android and iPhone. So firstly, on the PC, go to duolingo.com/settings. I will put the link in the description, so you just have to click it. Now click on Duolingo Plus to the right hand side, scroll down and then click on cancel plan. Then go through the options, so I'm going to click I didn't find it valuable. Then I'm going to click on proceed to cancel, and now I have cancelled Duolingo Plus. Now on the Android, you want to click your name on the Google Play Store, and this will open up the interface where you can click on payments and subscriptions. And from here, click on subscriptions and you will see your free trial for Duolingo Plus here, and you can cancel the free trial. On iPhone, click on the settings app and then click your name to the top, and then you will see an option that says subscriptions, and click on that. You will then see a Duolingo Plus subscription. Now I only have one active subscription, so I'm going to click on that instead, but you will see the same thing underneath Duolingo Plus. You will see something that says cancel free trial. Simply click on that and you will not be billed once the free trial runs out. If this video helped, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and also click the subscribe button to help Minutemanual get to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you very much.